Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B5 moisturizer. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures a clean canvas for optimal product absorption. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel, leaving it just slightly damp. This helps the moisturizer spread more easily and lock in extra hydration, preparing your skin perfectly for the next step. Now, let's talk about application. Dispense a small, pea-sized amount of your vitamin B5 moisturizer onto your fingertips. This is typically enough for your entire face. Gently dot the product across key areas, your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using soft, upward, and circular motions, gently massage the moisturizer into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Be sure to cover all areas evenly for maximum benefit. For best results, incorporate your vitamin B5 moisturizer into your routine twice daily, once in the morning and again in the evening. This consistent use helps to continuously hydrate and protect your skin. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is excellent at attracting and retaining moisture, potentially improving skin hydration by up to 25%. It also significantly supports your skin's natural barrier, which can help reduce redness and irritation. To further enhance your results, consider pairing your vitamin B5 moisturizer with a hydrating serum, like one containing hyaluronic acid, for an extra layer of moisture. In your morning routine, always follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from UV damage. Remember, consistency is key. Use your moisturizer regularly for at least 4 to 6 weeks to observe significant improvements in your skin's texture and hydration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.